You don't have to be a star, baby, to be in my show. Oh. It's Dora, that Yarney zebra, and my cup runneth over because I have a house full of little peoples. Sleepover camp over at Mimi's with some sugar boogers that can't be on camera because you know they're underage. You know how that is. But we have been having a blast today. We had a fake YouTube channel with two cute little girls doing the video, reading books, singing, and having a snowstorm. And then they got to make banana pudding with their Auntie Autumn. What? Absolutely. It was a total blast. So they've just had their baths and they're getting ready to get in the bed. I know those slumber parties are not for sleeping, but we don't call this a slumber party. It's a camp over. So we're going to let you go now. I'm going to go and